Police with the warrant! Ivan Gutierrez, come to the door!
Policía, abre la puerta!
Police, U.S. Marshal with the warrant! Ivan Gutierrez, come to the door!
We got a door straight ahead. Looks like this is the kitchen and living room. It looks pretty empty.
You got
That might be a bedroom to the left.
a door to your right.
Someone look out the window right there with an AC unit. Gotcha. All right, we got movement.
To the left?
Yeah.
That door straight ahead.
Policia!
Police with the warrant! Ivan Gutierrez, come to the door with your hands up!
When you step in, Mike, there will be a door to your right.
Police, U.S. Marshals, Ivan Gutierrez, we have a warrant. Come to the door.
What do you hear, Mike? What do you do? Oh, yeah, so someone look out the window. Just now?
Can you give announcements in Spanish?
Ivan!
Ivan, right?
Yeah,
Ivan, venga a la puerta ya! Policía!
Gutierrez.
Ivan Gutierrez! Ivan Gutierrez, somos los policías. Salga de la casa ahorita con sus manos arriba.
Hey, sir, she's no movement. Yeah. Huh? No, just make sure. Okay. Let's go ahead and push on.
All right, I'm going to pin right here straight ahead of me.
Hey, hands! Let me see your hands. Step out! Step out! Step out! Step out! Step out! He said he's not going out like that. Step out!
I'm not going
Now! Let me see your hands! Step out!
Go on, Leslito.
Hurry up! Do it now!
Leslie, go Leslie.
Do it
Let
now!
me see your hands!
You see him?
He's popping his head up.
Oh, shit.
That gun?
Yeah,
Yeah, that was a gun.
Fired. Shots fired.
Let's back.
Back out.
No, it's out.
You good? You good? You good? Everybody good?
Good.
Yeah, man down, man down.
Are we good?
Yeah.
We're good.
Who fired?
I did.
Yeah.
You fired?
No.
Everybody else good?
Anybody else in the house, come out now!
We're gonna have people to the left.
Hey, yeah, stand by. It's not how far is he from the...
Right here.
Come out! Come out now! We got movement to the left. Come out! Come out! Come out! Hey!
He's trying to get it.
I got somebody else in this room. Let me see your hands. Step out. Step out.
You're fine, buddy.
I can't breathe.
Hold on, we go. Get gas mask.
Tharp, you good?
Good.
Who needed the limit?
You good, Tharp?
Yeah, I'm good.
Fuck, you pull that out?
Okay. What he hit? You went to, says nobody else in the house, just him?
He's down right here.
All right, can we get in there and
I'm a pin straight, Sarge. Y'all hook to the right. To my right.
We got a short wall right here to your right.
Y'all ready?
yeah.